Okay, this is the P3 paper from October 2023. It's question number 3, and as you can see, this is trig addition formulae. We're going to be using the addition formulae, proving one of those using double angle formulae, and then we're going to be integrating using trigonometry, integrating a trig function. Okay, let's make a start to part A. Really good idea, guys, for you to learn all of these proofs, or at least the start off point, and then be able to follow them through. It says using the identity for cos A plus B, can we then do the proof? So cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. And then as long as you remember this next step, everything should just fall out. If you set A equal to B here, then we're going to get cos A plus A is cos A, and it's sin A sin A. So tidying that up then, cos A plus A is cos 2A, obviously, and cos A is cos squared A, and sin A is sin squared A. So you get cos squared minus sin squared. Which one are we trying to prove? We're trying to prove the 2 cos squared minus 1. So when we're doing that then, all I need to do is obviously get rid of the sin squared, and the way to get rid of the sin squared is to call that 1 minus cos squared. So then that tidies itself up to cos 2A works out to be 2 cos squared A minus 1. Let's just sort out the handwriting there. 2 cos squared A minus 1, which is the first part done. Okay, second part says do an integral. And what we've got here is we've got cos squared there, and we can rearrange this to get the cos squared equals, and then we'll be able to integrate. Actually, if we look at it, let's do part B. We've got the integral between pi over 8 and pi over 12 of 5 minus 4 cos squared 3x dx. So if you've done a few of these, we can just see that using this on the up here, using this, what I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to say, okay, well, if that's true, then cos 2A plus 1 is equal to 2 cos squared A. And so 2 lots of that will be equal to 4 cos squared A, and that's what we've got. So 2 lots of that, 2 cos 2A plus 2 is going to be equal to that. And all we've got is A is equal to 3x here. So my integral then is between pi over 8 and pi over 12 of 5 minus, and then the 4 cos squared 3x now is going to become 2 lots of cos 2x, so in other words cos 6x plus 2. Just be careful about our brackets when we're doing that. dx, so then let's just tidy that all up. That's going to give me the integral between pi over 8 and pi over 12. 5 minus 2 is obviously 3 minus 2 cos 6x dx. And then when we're integrating this stuff, I'm not even going to spend ages doing this, but it's the chain rule, isn't it? Reverse chain rule here. If y was equal to sine 6x and I differentiated that, the differential of sine would be 6 cos 6x. So if I'm integrating cos 6x, I'm going to get a 1/6 of sine 6x. I really do hope that's dead straightforward for you. If not, you've got a lot of work to do. So pi over 8, pi over 12. Integrating the 3 is just going to give me 3x. And integrating the minus 2 cos 6x is going to give me minus, I'll do it slowly, 2 over 6 sine 6x. Sorry, what am I doing there? We've integrated it. That's one of those things to just check and make sure that we're focusing there. Sorry, I've actually done the integration at that stage. So that between pi over 8 and pi over 12. And now it's just a matter of sticking those values in. I'm not going to spend ages on this. I'll just do one line of it. So 3 lots of pi over 8 minus 1/3 sine 6 pi over 8, which is 3 pi over 4. So it's that minus, similarly, 3 lots of pi over 12 minus a third sine, and again 3 pi over 12, 6 pi over 12 is going to give us a third pi over 2 there. And then I'll let you go through and work all that out, but it tidies up to the constants, that one and that one constant, tidies up to pi over 8, and the other two, just be careful with all of this, works out to be 2 minus root 2 all over 6. And the reason I did that was because it said in the question, obviously, find the exact value. So you just need to be aware of, I think your calculators will do it for you, but otherwise knowing things like what sine 45 is, what sine 60, what sine 90 are, all in terms of root 3 over 2 and 1 over root 2, etc., etc. Make sure you're aware of those. But straightforward, hopefully that all makes sense.